Welcome, this is the iPhone 15 Plus and I'll show you the Face ID tests on this device. So I just set up my face recognition to the Face ID and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the Face ID works here fast, correct, and without any problems. We'll just unlock the device in half of the second. This is the good result for the Face ID unlock method, so you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the Face ID is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.